Hello traders, today's highlights: global investors turned cautious yesterday, and important retail sales and inflation numbers are being waited on in the States. It's Friday, May 12th, and here's our daily market review. The Trump White House continues to be a focal point in Washington. However, the impact of political theater on investors appears to be limited. The three major indexes on Wall Street saw limited selling yesterday, but they remain within reaching distance of their all-time highs. The Dow Jones is now below the 21,000 level. Economic data from the U.S. was positive yesterday. Weekly unemployment claims were solid, and the Producer Price Index showed inflation creeping into the picture. Today, the important core retail sales will be published. There will also be a Consumer Price Index reading. Wall Street may remain cautious today, but this has less to do with White House shenanigans and more to do with considerations about future Federal Reserve moves regarding the assets they hold and will eventually need to sell off. The Nikkei and Topix indexes have begun today's trading with decline. However, this follows 4 solid days of trading in which risk appetite has been on full display. The yen has been stronger against the US dollar too and has fallen through support of 114. Interestingly, Chinese equities have performed better today, with the Shanghai Shenzhen and Hang Seng composites putting in early gains. China and the US, according to news sources, are about to make a new trading agreement, and the G7 meeting, which will get underway in Italy today, could produce some interesting talk regarding trade and currencies for the major economic powers. The Bank of England Monetary Policy and Inflation Report produced little in the way of surprises yesterday, as Governor Mark Carney warned about transitory complications for the UK economy as it handles the Brexit. Intriguingly, the FTSE managed to gain yesterday, while other major European indexes declined. The European Commission issued their economic forecast report on Thursday, and it highlighted an increase in economic growth to come. The euro traded in range yesterday and remains under the 1.09 resistance level, while the pound was sold during the Bank of England pronouncements, which caused fast market conditions. Gold has found some buyers in the past 2 days and has been able to maintain a fairly steady price level. Yesterday's positive inflation report from the States may have bolstered the precious metal. Gold seems to have an important resistance level around $1,230 an ounce. Core retail sales data will come from the States at 12:30 GMT, and investors will be keen for an improvement in consumer spending. Thank you for watching. Have a good trading day. We'll see you again soon.